Okay, here we have the American Barbell rack system. This is a newer piece at the Dragon's Lair. Just want to highlight a couple things. So how you adjust this, you're gonna pull this out. That's going to unlock it, turn it in, pull it out, adjust to where you want it, slide it back in, pull this out, make sure it's clipped. To do these down here, you're going to pull up, slide out. That's all you have to do. So just out, pick your desired positioning. I'll slide this back in and then drop it in place. For the bar, so you can do chin-ups, you can do wide grip, you can do another neutral grip, multiple variations on how you want to do your pull-ups. Out here, we have a drop platform. So if you want to do any deadlifts, cleans, any sort of drop of the weight, this is where you would perform that. And that is the American Barbell rack system.